This is a door panel that we did. So we have 5 inches of border on all the sides, and then we have carved this design, and at the center we have actually cut a hole so that we can put metal jali and make this as a security door also. So from inside, when you open the inside wala door, people can see through or receive the letter or anything like that and answer the door. And this was done in 16 mm, and you can see the depth quality here. Here's the full view of it. This is a sagwan molding that we did, and you can see the rough edges. That's because when it comes to sagwan, the quality of the engraving depends totally on the type of wood. If the wood is cheap, then the fibers will kind of come out. This is actually not cheap wood. This is kind of a mid quality, I would say. This is not well dried up, and that is why you can see these kind of ridges, but it's nothing big. Once you sand it and polish it, all these things will go away. There are even worse sagwan pieces where once you do the engraving, these fibers will just stay there. Like the engraving would happen, but you will not even see it, but because the fibers have not been cut away from the sagwan piece, it will just stay there. Those are really difficult because you know, if you don't even remove those small fibers, how will you polish it? So those are difficult to do, but this one is relatively much easier. See, this sagwan piece is even better quality. I mean, it is dried even better. You can see how smooth the layer is. We haven't sanded or did anything. It is just right out of the machine, and you can see in those tight crevices wherever the machine has gone, there's absolutely no fibers. Especially in this area, you can see there's no fibers at all, and that's the difference between using a good wood. So whenever you go and you're going to purchase any teak wood, when I say sagwan, it is actually teak wood. You should look for well seasoned wood and also well dried up ones. Don't cheap out on the price, pay a good price for it. I think this was a reclaimed wood because you can see these nail holes here, which will be patched up by the carpenter later. These kind of nail holes happen because this was in some kind of a home where it would be a big timber or anything, but then when they were demolishing it, they would have taken this piece and recut it and resawed it so that they can get logs out of it. But nonetheless, this is a really good piece of sagwan.